Welcome back to High-End Horizons, the channel where we delve into the future of technology and its impact on our lives. In today's video, we're going to discuss the recent call to pause AI development by prominent AI leaders and Elon Musk. They're raising critical concerns such as ethical dilemmas, privacy issues, bias and discrimination, unemployment, and the AI arms race, among others. Join us as we explore these reasons in depth and discuss how we can address them moving forward. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest content. Over the last decade, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced chatbots like GPT-4, AI has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. But recently, several AI leaders and Elon Musk have called for a temporary halt to the development of AI. While this might come as a shock to many, it's essential to understand the reasons behind this call to action. So, why are some of the biggest names in the industry advocating for a pause in AI development? There are several key reasons. 1. Ethical concerns. 2. Privacy issues. 3. Bias and discrimination. 4. Unemployment and economic impact. 5. The AI arms race. Let's dive into each of these factors and examine how they contribute to this groundbreaking call for a pause in AI development. One of the primary reasons behind this call to action is the multitude of ethical concerns surrounding AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated and capable of making complex decisions, we must ask ourselves, can these decisions always be ethically sound? Take, for example, autonomous vehicles. In the event of an unavoidable accident, how should the AI system decide which course of action to take? Should it prioritize the safety of the passengers or pedestrians? These are difficult ethical questions that need to be addressed before we continue to develop AI systems with increasing decision-making capabilities. Privacy is another major concern in the age of AI. Many AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. This data often includes personal information, which can be used to make eerily accurate predictions about an individual's behavior, preferences, and even their emotions. While this data can be used to improve AI systems and provide personalized experiences, it can also be abused. In the wrong hands, this information can be weaponized to manipulate individuals, sway public opinion, or even commit identity theft. The call to pause AI development is, in part, a plea to address these privacy concerns and protect the public from potential misuse. Bias and discrimination are other significant issues that plague AI systems. Due to the nature of their training data, AI systems can inadvertently inherit biases present in the data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For example, facial recognition systems have been known to misidentify people with darker skin tones, causing a higher rate of false positives. Similarly, AI-driven hiring tools may favor certain demographic groups over others, perpetuating existing inequalities. The AI community is actively working to address these issues. However, the call to pause AI development highlights the importance of ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable to prevent further harm. The rise of AI has also raised concerns about the potential for widespread unemployment. As AI systems become more capable, they can take over tasks that were once performed by human workers. While this can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it also means that many jobs could become obsolete. Some experts argue that AI will create new jobs, as technology has done in the past. However, there are concerns that the transition may not be smooth and that certain sectors or demographics may be disproportionately affected by job displacement. By calling for a pause in AI development, these industry leaders are urging us to carefully consider the economic impact of AI and how we can ensure a just and equitable transition for workers. The development and use of AI systems can have significant environmental implications. Training complex AI models requires substantial computational power, which in turn consumes a large amount of energy. As AI continues to advance, the energy consumption required for these systems may become unsustainable and contribute to our growing climate crisis. By calling for a pause in AI development, leaders in the field are emphasizing the importance of addressing the environmental footprint of AI technologies and finding ways to make AI more energy efficient and eco-friendly. The increasing reliance on AI-driven technologies may have unintended consequences on our mental health. While AI systems can be helpful in providing personalized recommendations and experiences, they can also be addictive and encourage excessive screen time. This can lead to issues such as sleep deprivation, anxiety, and depression. A pause in AI development can provide an opportunity to study the psychological impact of AI on individuals and society and explore ways to mitigate any negative effects. AI has also been weaponized to create convincing misinformation and deepfakes. These false representations of reality can be used to spread disinformation, manipulate public opinion, and even incite violence. As AI becomes more advanced, it becomes increasingly difficult to distinguish between genuine content and AI-generated fakes. The call to pause AI development highlights the urgency of addressing the spread of misinformation and developing tools to identify and counteract deepfakes and other AI-generated content. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, there is a growing concern that we may lose the value of human connection. Relying on AI for tasks such as communication, decision-making, and companionship could lead to a decline in empathy and emotional intelligence, as well as a reduced ability to forge meaningful relationships with other people. By advocating for a pause in AI development, leaders in the field are emphasizing the importance of preserving human connection and finding a balance between AI-driven technology and our emotional well-being. Lastly, the black box problem refers to the challenge of understanding how complex AI systems arrive at their conclusions. As AI models become more sophisticated, their decision-making process becomes increasingly opaque, making it difficult for humans to understand or predict their behavior. This lack of transparency raises concerns about trust, accountability, and safety. If we cannot understand how an AI system works, how can we ensure that it is making ethical and responsible decisions? The call to pause AI development serves as a reminder of the importance of addressing the black box problem and developing AI systems that are both powerful and transparent. Finally, the call to pause AI development highlights the potential dangers of the AI arms race. As countries and companies compete to develop more advanced AI systems, there is a risk that ethical and safety concerns could be overshadowed in the race to achieve AI dominance. An uncontrolled AI arms race could lead to the development of powerful and potentially dangerous AI systems that could be weaponized or exploited by malicious actors. By calling for a pause, AI leaders are emphasizing the need for global cooperation and regulation to prevent such a scenario. Now that we've explored the reasons behind this call to pause AI development, let's discuss how we can address these concerns moving forward. 1. Establishing ethical guidelines. AI developers and researchers should work together to establish a set of ethical guidelines for AI systems. These guidelines should be based on widely accepted ethical principles and should be adaptable to different cultural and societal contexts. 2. Implementing privacy protections. Governments and organizations should enact policies and regulations to protect user data and privacy. This includes limiting the collection and use of personal data, ensuring transparency in data handling practices, and enabling users to control their data. 3. Reducing bias and discrimination. AI developers should prioritize creating fair and unbiased AI systems. This includes using diverse and representative training data, developing methods to detect and mitigate biases, and ensuring transparency in AI decision-making processes. 4. Supporting workforce transition. Governments, companies, and educational institutions should collaborate to support workers affected by AI-driven job displacement. This includes providing retaining programs, facilitating job transition assistance, and promoting lifelong learning to prepare workers for an AI-driven economy. 5. Encouraging global cooperation. Nations should work together to establish international agreements and regulations for AI development, including measures to prevent an AI arms race. This collaboration should prioritize ethical considerations and prioritize the welfare of humanity over competitive advantage. The call to pause AI development is a powerful reminder that while AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, it also presents significant challenges that must be addressed. By acknowledging these concerns and taking proactive steps to address them, we can work towards a future where AI serves as a force for good rather than harm. Thank you for joining us today on High-End Horizons. We hope you found this discussion enlightening and thought-provoking. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content exploring the cutting edge of technology and the future of humanity. Until next time, this is High-End Horizons signing off.